Compounds of calcium. Some industrially important compounds of calcium are calcium oxide, then calcium hydroxide, calcium carbonate and cement, then calcium sulfate and cement. These are some of the industrially important calcium compounds. Okay, so here we are discussing about calcium oxide, CaO, calcium oxide. This calcium oxide is also known as quicklime or burnt lime, quicklime or burnt lime. So, next preparation of calcium oxide. It can be prepared on large scale by heating limestone. Okay, heating, preparation is by heating limestone, that is CaCO3, in rotary kiln, okay, at a temperature of 1070 to 1270 Kelvin. At this temperature, heating calcium carbonate in a rotary kiln, we can obtain calcium oxide, and the reaction will be like this: CaCO3. On heating at this temperature, it gets converted into CaO and carbon dioxide gas. Carbon dioxide gas produced, it can be removed immediately, okay, in order to enable the reaction to proceed on completion. Okay, to proceed on completion, we have to remove the carbon dioxide produced immediately. Okay, next, properties. First property, it is a white amorphous solid. Then its melting point is about 2870 Kelvin. Melting point 2870 Kelvin. Okay. Next, on exposure to atmosphere, it absorbs moisture and carbon dioxide, and the following reaction takes place. Calcium oxide reacts with water, CaO plus H2O. Water present in the atmosphere. Okay, calcium oxide reacts with water present in the atmosphere and form calcium hydroxide. Okay, also it reacts with carbon dioxide in the atmosphere and form calcium carbonate. Okay, next, with the addition of limited amount of water, it breaks the lumps of calcium oxide. Okay, by adding limited amount of water. It breaks the lumps of lime, and this process is known as slaking of lime. During this process, large amount of heat is liberated. Okay. Next, it is also slaked with soda. It produces soda lime. What is soda lime? Soda lime is a mixture of sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide. So if it is slaked with soda, it produces soda lime. Okay. Next, this calcium oxide is a basic oxide. So it reacts with acidic oxides and form the products. Okay, it reacts with acidic oxides like SiO2 and phosphorus pentoxide. The reaction takes place at a very high temperature. At high temperature, it reacts with acidic oxides, that is CaO plus SiO2. It reacts with SiO2 and form CaSiO3. Okay, and it also reacts with phosphorus pentoxide CaO plus P4O10, phosphorus pentoxide, and the product obtained is calcium phosphate Ca3PO4 twice is obtained. Okay. Next, uses of calcium oxide. Uses. First point, it is used in building industry. It is used in building industry. That is, it is used as a primary material for the manufacturing of cement, and it is the cheapest form of alkali. Okay, primary material. For the manufacture of cement, and it is the cheapest form of alkali. Next, it is used in the purification of sugar. Purification of sugar. Third point, it is used in the manufacture of dyestuffs. Manufacture of dyestuffs. Then, it can be used as a flux in metallurgy. Used as a flux in metallurgy. That is, it is used to remove impurities during the metallurgical process. Okay. Next, it is used for the manufacture of sodium carbonate from caustic soda. Used for the manufacture of sodium carbonate. From caustic soda, that is sodium hydroxide from caustic soda. Okay. Next, it is used as a drying agent for gases and alcohol. Used as a drying agent for gases and alcohol. So these are the important uses of calcium oxide.